I'm gonna go to Ikea. It's during the week. I do like this frame. Always have. Just the frame is good to create a gallery wall. It's only $10. I got a picture that I want to frame, but I really just came in here for towels and everything. That's a cute little table. I always like it when I see it. And I like how the rooms here are kind of small. There's kind of a lot of kitchen stuff. Okay, so this must be one of like the showing of my kind of style apartment when the space is really small. I don't know why lately my camera's not trying to focus. I guess the why is that I need a new phone. DM me if you want to buy me a new phone. Taking all offers. We'll give you my address and shake your hand in person. Make room for me. This is cute. They just have 2 chairs in here. This is cute though. I'm going to get towels and a shower curtain today. This is cute because I've got some papers and everything. Only $39. Great price, small. And it's metal so you can wipe it out. So if you want to just put makeup or messy things in there. I've got to declutter a whole bunch of stuff, you guys. I'm going to stop the camera for a minute until I see something I like. This is cute. You know I like light colors. Now there's people on this one, but this is the one that I kind of like. It's $8.99. I would change the legs on it, but it does sit low to the ground. There's another one. I think this is the same, just more pieces and a darker color. Look at this. This is a 590 square foot apartment setup. Kind of like mine. Look how much stuff they fit in here though. These cabinets really make it. I just don't want to keep a whole lot of stuff. Like, I don't want to be cluttered. Like, that's kind of overwhelming me. Oh, the bathroom in here is really big. Oh, wasn't expecting that. Kitchen area here. This feels like more than 590 square feet. And I think it's because they have all these cabinets and or shelves. And this is like the little bedroom area. My bedroom is kind of small. I won't even lie. Now, I wouldn't mind. It would have to be thinner than this, though. Having something like that. Yeah. And Ikea does have good prices on fake plants. This one is only $50. Look at that, friend. Look at him. Is that my style, or is it too modern? Can I be honest with you guys? Not that I would get like a couch from here. These are $12.99 for these velvet sofas in Ikea. I like my couch. Like, I do like it. It's different. It just depends on where you are in your life. I'm not cookie cutter at all. So I just don't know if I just want to I don't know. I do not want to just trade it in to get something that's just for the moment, because you know what, the moment passes and then you're going to want the new style of what everybody else has, and I just don't live my life like that. I've got that chair in the black. I don't need any more chairs. It's $119 in here. Yeah, I've even looked at like sofas at Z Gallery and stuff like that. I mean, do I really just want to change out to a sofa that fits everybody else's aesthetic? Or do I want to like go through with something that is so different and so unique? Like, you can't deny that it's so different and unique. I don't know. Now, I like this. The benefit of having such a small place is you don't have space to put things. But this little glass thing is cute. I don't know what I would put in it. I just like that it looks sleek. Right? So I shouldn't buy things that I don't know what I'm going to use them for. Things have to have a need and a purpose. I like this for that empty corner because you can put wine things there. And then, if you need more room while you're cooking, the only thing is this is a total rip on the price. But I do like the look of it. They have a bigger one, but I don't have space for the bigger one. And look at the price on this. And it's a much bigger size. This is the ubiquitous white room that everybody loves so much. I don't know. We got some little artwork in there. Bedroom ideas, because I do need those. I don't have much space to work with. I noticed that last night for the first time. Ow. No, just kidding. Don't ow. This always gives me like the urban feels. Ooh, those lights are nice. What do you guys think about this bed? I like that it has the high back and that you can put things underneath it. I would definitely paint it. I mean, look how inexpensive it is. They've got pillows hanging from it now. I don't know. Alright, so this is actually my favorite part of Ikea. It is the bedding. For me, it works living in an apartment because you can have multiple layers of blankets and make it look nice and luxe. And it fits in the washing machine. Does that make sense? So this is kind of what I came for. I'm going to get some sheets. Some things are good deals, some things are not. Different prints. And I like this kind of color because you can combine things. All different kinds. Different ones. This is cute. So I almost went crazy at Target today and was spending $20 on towels a piece. And I was like, nope, let's go to Ikea. And I really do like this one, this waffle weave one. And it is $6.99. I've had these before. They lasted me a really long time. Not gonna bore you guys with towels and shower curtains, but they do have a selection at all different price points. Also, another thing that they have at a really good price point is inexpensive white long curtains. This is $9.99. It's hard to find the white ones though because they are so